In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for an IKEA credit card in 25. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that by the end of the video, you'll be ready to take advantage of all the benefits that an IKEA credit card has to offer. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type IKEA Credit Card Apply. This should direct you to the specific page dedicated to IKEA's credit card options. Take a moment to review the search results and look for the website link that takes you directly to IKEA's official website. Once you have identified the correct link, go ahead and click on it to proceed. Upon landing on the IKEA website, you'll be presented with various options and offers. Look for the section that mentions the IKEA Family Credit Card. This section is pivotal, as it contains the information you need to start your application process. Click on the IKEA Family Credit Card link to proceed. Doing so will redirect you to yet another page that will expand on IKEA's finance options, specifically tailored for their family card. Next up, you'll want to navigate to the finance section of the page. This area of the site provides additional context on the different financial services IKEA offers. Make sure you're in the right section by confirming that it prominently features credit card information alongside other financial products and services. Once you're there, scroll down the page until you find the IKEA Family Credit Card information once again. It's important to delve into the details shared on this page. It will often include key insights into the benefits, terms, and conditions of the credit card you're about to apply for. Scan for a Learn More link, which will offer a deeper dive into these credits and their benefits. Clicking on this link is your next step, and it will provide a comprehensive overview of what you're signing up for. Finally, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you see a section with a QR code. This QR code is an essential part of the application process. With your smartphone or a QR code reader app, scan this code. Doing so will likely lead you directly into the application form or provide you with additional instructions on completing your application. Following these steps will ensure a smooth application process. Remember, taking your time and thoroughly reviewing all available information will maximize your understanding and benefit from your new IKEA credit card. Once you apply, keep an eye on your email for any further instructions from IKEA regarding your application status. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial, and best of luck with your application.